Hi everyone, we're going to make some quick arroz doce or sweet rice. And today I'm doing my Aunt Lalia's recipe, which includes butter. But what I have here, all the ingredients, I've got 2 cups of rice that have been rinsed and have been soaking for about an hour. I've got 2 lemons that I have used all the peel from here. I've got 2 cups of water. I've got a half a stick of butter. Then I have 6 cups of whole milk. I've got 2 cups of granulated sugar. I have 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt or a pinch of salt and 2 egg yolks. I know that my aunt's recipe has 10, but 10 is sometimes overdoing it. And like I've told any of you out there, you can use 1, you can use 2, you can use no eggs if you want to, but I'm gonna do 2. 2 is enough for me today. And that's what we're gonna do today. So here are the ingredients. Get everything ready so that you can make a arroz doce with me. Is it a bon dia, honey?
Well, bon dia.
It's a good day. Warm rice pudding.
Bon dia.